That's not supposed to be like that. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, yeah, obviously that driveline's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like this brand new one right here, but I don't know. The U-joint went out and snapped and flew off, so but yeah, we're in the middle of it, cutting wheat, cutting grass, cutting alfalfa. All three swathers are in different locations right now, which makes it kind of hectic, but we're dealing with it. But yeah, we're gonna get this driveline slapped on here real quick, so let's get to it. Looks like the U-joint just went out. And then it flew off. Or half of it did. Wow, they even greased the yoke. Most of the time the manufacturers paint them, and then that makes it a you know what to put them on. Does it go? Yeah, it only goes on one way. So I'm gonna line the research up. Now I got crap all over it. Alright, so there's a greaser. This driveline runs the auger, and it's still plugged up, so once we get this on, hopefully just firing the head up and running it either forward or backwards will clear the jam. Man, I gotta go a long way. This thing's I'm gonna go the other way. Let's see. That's a little weird. The shaft has a groove in it, like for the bolt, and a piece of key stock, but I guess you don't use the groove on the bolt. I was lining up the groove in the bolt. Okay, tighten the bolts up. Yeah, see, there's a water crap over there. They unplugged it a little bit over here, so I'm gonna see if I start it up and run it and try to clear it. Well, it's still got that. It was spinning, but it's still got a water crap in it, but we'll just have to dig it out. All right, he's up and running again. So got the driveline changed out. It wasn't too bad. Changed a couple blades. Now he's going. So this is some pretty heavy beardless wheat is what they call it. So any of you guys that know wheat, sometimes there's like a little, you know, extra on here, what they call a beard, but there's nothing on there. So it's I guess you could call it like a little fuzzy. It'd be kind of like this short, this right here, but longer, and it'd be on every piece of grain. But this is a beardless wheat. We're gonna make hay out of it. So got nice big windrows, and he's running. He's doing good. He's going about 7.5 miles an hour. Probably could go a little bit faster, but it's doing a pretty good job this way. So yeah, it's good. He's got to finish this little bit up in this field, and he's going to jump across the street where that truck's at, and he's got another block to do. So hopefully 2 weeks, 12 days, depending on the weather, we'll have a lot of bales out here. Hopefully, the weather hasn't been the best for drying. It's kind of cooled off a little bit, and they're actually talking about more rain Saturday. So I don't know. We got a couple fields that maybe we could, you know, get baled up. They're not exactly perfect, but they might have to be if we are going to get any measurable amount of rain. It's kind of the way it goes. So all right, on to the next task. What are we doing, buddy?
Driving a tractor.
Well, what's behind the tractor?
Hay bales.
Well, yeah, but what's behind the tractor? A hay baler. We're making hay bales with the hay baler.
Yes.
Yeah, we're out here. We're baling some grass hay.
No, not me.
So,
I want to be.
I'm gonna run with these guys for a little bit, and then they're gonna continue on as long as they can in the night. And it's supposed to rain Saturday. Today's Thursday, but it kind of looks like it might rain today, but you never know. Meteorologists got to be the easiest job to get, because 50% chance you're going to be right. Are you waving? You're funny. All right, well, Wesley, you want to put the camera on the baler somewhere and take some videos outside?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that.
I'm up here.
All right, watch out. Let's go. Let's go. No, we gotta go back. We gotta film for a little while. Come on, hurry. Come on.
What did you say?
Climb up there, get up there. All right, well, the bales, everything looks pretty good. So this New Holland, I don't know if I ever explained, but there's an extension on the chamber. I put this on there the first year I had this. I think this is a 14 or a 13 model. It was before they started putting the longer chambers in them like the other balers we have are. So the chamber used to end right here, and somebody made up this kit that added, I don't know what, another 3 feet to it, and we saw a big difference, especially in the grass or like your straw, your more springy material. The bales were a lot more square, a little more compact. Yes.
I'm gonna jump.
Jump, do it. Show him. Whoa. So it's just a fixed thing. It doesn't move like the pressure doors. But what happens is sometimes, the bale needs to stay in there a little bit longer. If it comes out too soon, it might kind of expand and maybe pop the strings. So this kind of helps alleviate that. It kind of gives that bale more time. Dude, your legs are gonna get stuck. You better get out of that roller. Trust me, I know. I've done it. So it gives it a little more time to, compress and makes a lot nicer bale.
Did you got stuck there and then it ran over you and then you got back up?
No, if I would have got ran over, I wouldn't be here, and you wouldn't be here. So no, I didn't get ran over.
You didn't get ran over by a hairpin?
No, I hope not. But so yeah, that's a little explanation on the old New Holland. So she's working pretty good. All right, buddy, let's get back in the tractor. Come on.
No, I want to do a bomb from there.
You want to what?
I want to do a bomb.
Okay. He wants to do a bomb. I don't know. I think he wants to jump.
I'm gonna want to do a bomb.
I grew up doing exactly what he's doing. Great way to grow up. Ready, set, go! Oh, that was like a cannonball. Your butt. Hey guys, next morning from when we were baling. So the guys are out here hauling. The balers, they didn't finish, but they got a little bit left to do, but we got to go through and clean. I don't know if you can see that mess right there. Little like twister or something went through there and blew the grass all over the place, but they're getting them picked up. So made quite a few bales. They're creeping their way across. So I'm gonna stick the camera probably on the harrowbed and the retriever and try to get some shots like we did on the balers yesterday. So enjoy. Nice bales. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that little montage of the harrowbed and the retriever working together. So those guys work together and they get quite a bit down there too. Pretty good operators. So yeah, we're hauling out 8 at a time, going pretty fast. They're about halfway done. And then the balers are out here, they're cleaning up and they're gonna finish up. So all right, well, that'll do it for this one. It's gonna be kind of a short one, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and keep watching, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.
Got it.
Got it? All right, let me see it.